Summer scent of the day. Ito si Shiyaka Snow. And ito ang ating bibigyan ng review for tonight's video. So si Shiyaka Snow, nabili natin around a month ago and nabigyan natin siya ng first impression. And this time around, sinuot natin siya ng buong araw. And I'll let you know kung ano yung performance ni Shiyaka Snow based on how I wore this perfume today. Okay. So, magkano nga ba si Shiyaka Snow? Nakikita natin siya sa marketplace for around 1,500 pesos, if I'm not mistaken. And in terms of the bottle presentation itself, ang ganda naman niya. Very sleek, very simple. Gusto ko rin naman yung kanyang mga dots around the or spikes around the bottle itself. Tapos, simple lang yung branding niya. So, yun lang naman. Now, in terms of the sprayer or the atomizer, okay, medyo pressurized siya. So, the more that you press on it, mas maraming perfume na lumalabas. So, yun. Okay. Now, sa opening ni Shiyaka Snow, alright, naamoy mo kagad is yung bergamot and then yung pagka pink pepper, cardamom, and yung mandarin. Okay? Yun yung maamoy mo for a few minutes. Okay? And then probably around the 30-minute mark, masisimulan mo na siya maamoy yung neroli and then yung cardamom niya. And then dinudup nga pala ni Shiyaka Snow is si Louis Vuitton Meteor. Alright? Now, sabi nila, nababasa natin, ang amoy niya is parang baby wipes. So, ayan. So, yun nga, at first, no, sa first impressions video natin, natuwa tayo sa amoy ni Shiyaka Snow kasi nga, sa opening, yung amoy natin, yung kanyang pagka-citrusy and yung combination niya with the pink pepper na gustong-gusto natin. Now, nung nag-try down na siya, nung umabot ng 30 minutes or so, naamoy na natin yung kanyang sinasabi nila naamoy na parang baby wipes. So, yun yung naamoy ko buong araw. So, now I understand bakit yung ibang tao sinasabi nila amoy baby wipes si Shiyaka Snow. Alright. Now, in terms of the performance, nagpo-project to si Shiyaka Snow for a good 2 hours. Alright? And then, nagiging set na siya starting around 3 to 4 hours. Okay? Tapos, nagtatagal yung scent niya for the whole day naman. Around 8 to 9 hours. So, while I'm in the office, naamoy ko siya. Then, sa clothes, actually, na-wear ko na itong perfume na to more than 10 hours ago. So, naamoy ko pa rin siya. So, no need to reapply if you're gonna be in the office. Okay, now where should you wear this? This is a perfume na you can wear on a daily basis. If you're gonna go to school, to go to work, you know, this is a safe perfume that you can use. Now, again, overall rating probably for this one, since hindi ko nga ganong gusto yung amoy na BB wipes na naamoy ko buong araw. I think for the price naman, I probably rate this as around 7 out of 10. Okay, just because I didn't like that scent profile na may baby wipes. Okay, so that's just for me. You might be someone who is interested in trying this out. So make sure that you do a testing first before you actually buy this, especially on the skin. Okay. So, yun lang naman ang ating review for Shiyaka Snow. If you have any questions and suggestions on perfumes that you'd like for me to review, please leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!